guys, it's Sigrid again, and today I'm super excited to give you a little bit of a different content. Typically, if you're new to this channel, I post a lot of videos about books, especially book unboxings. But today I'm going to be sharing a special time with you guys, and this is me unboxing my very first Nintendo Switch. I am super excited. I got this because I've been wanting one for so long, and I've heard so many people say so many great things about it. I am currently a PlayStation girl, so I don't know what to expect. But Walmart had a deal that I just could not look away from, and for $2.99, which is the regular price for the Nintendo Switch on its own, you could also get a Mario Kart game. And I'm like, that game's like $60 or $70 on its own, so you guys know me, I love a good deal. This is like a deal of a lifetime. Plus you get a subscription to Nintendo Online for 3 months. So it was just so amazing, and I'm super excited. This was just dropped off to my door today, and it was actually a surprise. Walmart actually got it to me quicker than when they said they would. So let's get started. The box is open. All right, so inside I am seeing the Nintendo games. Oh, this is the screen, if I can get it out of here. Okay, so this is the Switch. And then I'm seeing the 2 Joy-Cons. And then on into the box, I'm seeing the HDMI cable, the power adapter for the Switch. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the console. The thing that you plug up to the TV. Ooh, fancy. So this is how it looks. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the instruction manual that nobody reads. Yeah, so this is a 3-month code. You have to scratch it off in order to redeem it. And then this is the Mario Kart game code. And on the back, you have to scratch off the thingy to get it as well. I cannot wait. This is another thing for if you want to just use the controller and you have it hooked up to the TV, you would just, you know, put the Joy-Cons in here. How cute! Okay, and these are like little grips for the Joy-Cons if you're like playing multiplayer. They just slide onto this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh, I'm so excited. So that is everything. I might do like some snippets of me playing a game or getting it started, but like so far, this is so exciting. I'm super happy right now. Like, and I'm so excited because you guys are like my friends. So of course I want to share something that's super important with you guys that is important with me. So yay.
Hey y'all, so my games from Black Friday have started to come in. So these are the ones that I got from Walmart. This one was really cheap. I think it was like maybe $15. And I was like, I really kind of need a fighting game, so I don't know. And then this one was a bit pricey. I think this might have been $30, but I've heard nothing but great things about it. So yeah. And then this one was also $15 as well, but for a Mario game, that's pretty good. And also, I wanted to share with you guys my little tip on how to kind of game on a budget. Basically, if you're new to my videos, then you know that I am always looking for a way to save money with whatever I do, and so I like to introduce to you guys GameFly. This is a service similar to how Netflix was when it first started out, how they would send you DVDs in the mail with your subscription, and once you're done, you send them back in a prepaid envelope, and then they continue to send you the next DVD and the next DVD. So this is how that works with games. However, there are so many video game bloggers or YouTube gamers who have this like sponsorship deal where they can give you 3 months of this special membership, and you can sign up to pay only $9 for the first 3 months. So this will allow me to get a chance to try it for 3 months and see if I actually want to keep 2 games out at the same time, or if I want to like go down a level. So this is the envelope they send it in. My address is on the other side, so I don't want to show that. But when you open it up, it has a prepaid envelope back to them. So this is their address. I don't mind showing that. So you would just kind of like remove this, and here's the game here. So you would put the game in here and you would seal it and just drop it off at the mail. It's already paid for you. You don't have to do anything else. So I have a queue, which is like a wish list of games that I would like to receive. And they go based on the rankings that I put all of the games in. So this is the first game that they sent me. I'm waiting on the second one because, like I said, I get 2 at a time. So the first game that they sent me was The Walking Dead, the final season. So I really wanted to play this game. I've always heard great things about it. I wish I could have started at a different season, however, but like super excited. It's really kind of hard to find this game, and I don't know if I'm going to like it, so I don't want to pay any amount of money for this until I know that I'm going to like it. And Gamefly has this opportunity that if you get a game and you like it, you can keep it for a discounted price. So it definitely won't be $60. But they have games similar to Luigi's Mansion. They have all of the Mario games. They have pretty much any game that you can think of, they have it. You can put it on your queue and they'll send it to you if they have any available. If not, they'll go to the next in line. But yeah, it's such a great opportunity. I'll include the YouTube video of where I saw the sponsorship deal so that you guys can get the 3 months at $9. If I can find it again. But I'm not affiliated with them at all. Like, I don't have a code for you guys, but I can share with you guys the person who does. So I'm still waiting for a lot of the other video games to come in. I still have some from Target. I got 2 from Target, I think. I have the Spyro trilogy, which I got for 20 bucks. And then I also got the Crash Team Racing. I also got that for $20. It should be similar to Mario Kart, but like it's a little different. But yeah, and I think that's it. So after that, I'm gonna have to depend on Gamefly for all of my gaming needs, but it's gonna take me a while to go through all of these games. Okay, so good news. I got the second game from Gamefly today. Here it is, and I don't even remember what it could be, so I'm just gonna be just as shocked as you guys. Oh, it's Friday the 13th, the game. So as you can see, I have a very particular type of games that I like. I like games like this, scary, yeah, not so colorful and childlike. I like more adult games. But I got the Friday the 13th, the game. I've heard really good things about this as well. Yeah, so here's like a little description of it. I didn't know that that's on here. It is. So The Walking Dead, this is the one for that too. Okay, so I have the Joy-Cons connected. So I'm going to turn it on for the very first time. How do I turn it on? Oh, here it is. Do I press and hold? Oh, no, I don't. I just press. Cool, cool, cool. Why am I like such a dork right now? Oh my god, this is my first time turning it on. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Oh, it made the noise. Ooh. I have to show you my very first game that I played on Mario Kart. I got first place. That's freaking awesome. So I'm about to have dinner and I don't want to turn it off because it's so cool. This is what I'm having: meatballs, zucchini, and mashed potatoes. It's so cool. I'm super excited and I absolutely love this. So I haven't played this game in a really long time, but this is called Ace Attorney. And it's like the main reason why I wanted to switch is because I remember like playing this a long time ago, like before law school, and I really loved it. And this is the trilogy, so it's actually 3 games in one. And I think it's on sale on the Nintendo shop because they're having a Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. So I got it for like 14 bucks when it's usually like 20 something. But I'm gonna start a new game.
So basically, you're almost like a detective, you're a lawyer, there's like courtroom scenes here. And it's basically like questions, and you can like find evidence. It's like really cool. But like it's like one of those things where you have to read it because they don't really say anything, and he always says like objection, like he screams it out. But it's like really fun. Okay, so here's the courtroom scene. I remember this judge. Every time you do something, like the other guy like sweats and like just like panics. Sometimes he faints. It's so like dramatic. Like I love it. Okay, so this is kind of like one of those things where I have to like um figure out. So the defendant is Larry. And you see he answers based on my choice that I just said. And it's correct. So I've reached a point where I have to do something during the trial. So his client is on the stand and they're asking him questions, and he's like, no, he doesn't need to answer this question because he's gonna really mess up and say the wrong thing and it's gonna not look good. So I can either choose to wait and see what happens or stop him from answering, which the one I'm gonna choose. So he should say objection. Wow. So this is definitely not nowhere close to how real trial works, but it's just really fun. And I remember just wanting to be a lawyer so bad back in the day that this just made me so happy to play. And I'm so happy that I have it. So I'm probably going to play this for the rest of the night. All right. Well, thank you guys for listening to me ramble on about this new device that I got. I will see you in my next video. Bye.